Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. So I'm on the lake. I was out on English Bay with my wife, Jessica, earlier today, and that was our first time getting the boat out in the water today. And also yesterday I was here with Peyton. Her and I were nailing the pike. We were having just lots of fun, her and I. She got her first one on of the season. And if you're a returning viewer, a lot of you know that she's a big fisherman. She loves fishing the pike, especially the small ones, because she's just small and she can't handle the big fish. We've been having a lot of fun the last couple of days. These here, definitely my favorite jig. They're the Midnight Grub. I've been using them for a couple of seasons now, and they are really good late in the evening like this. They come either the single tail or double tail, whatever one's gonna work. What do we got here? Ah, a good size perch. Not too bad size. 11 ounces. Here, Mr. Perch. Away you go. What do we get here? Oh, a little pike. Just a small pike. Come here, man. Come here. Come here. Come on. There we go. Little pacaroni. Right in that corner over there, there's some fish jumping around. There we go, right there. I knew I seen some in there. Decent sized pike. Feed ourselves a little more line here. Did the hook come out? Yeah, it did come out. Thanks for coming, buddy. Oh, might be a little bigger. Or I could be surprised and it'll be the same size. Oh, there's just like 50 pounds of moss on there, that's why. Come here, buddy. Yeah. See you later. Come on. Oh, that was an aggressive strike. Alright, so we got a few of them already, and they're still coming up to the surface, grabbing these bugs and the minnows, whatever else is floating on top. Okay. Yeah, I finally found where they're hanging out now. We got a few of them already. Some pretty decent sized ones too that are here. Little tiny pike, just a little guy. Come here, you. Don't you death roll me. Little pike? I think so. Yeah. Okay, get off. Come on, get off. Come on, there's no barb on there. You can come off. Right in front of the boat again. Small little perch, just a little guy here. It's pushing 9 o'clock now. Okay, what do we got? Please don't be a tiny little pike. A little tiny pike. That's what I didn't want. Well, I might not be the greatest golfer in the world, but I can catch fish. So yeah, it's the next day. Got home about 10 o'clock last night. I stayed out pretty late fishing. Just kept catching the smaller pike, nothing big else come around, no walleye. I think in the next couple of weeks, the bigger fish and the walleye should be moving into that spot. And where I was for the most part, right at the point, I found where they were feeding. All of those pike were eating a lot of the minnows. And they seemed to like that double tail midnight grub jig that I was using. So if you're local and you noticed where I was, get yourself some midnight grub, the double tail or single tail, and you get you some nice size pike. A lot of fun out there. Really enjoyed yesterday evening. Hopefully I can get out there today. As you can see, there's a lot of smoke rolled in last night. It's a little bit breezier today, but nothing that my canoe can't handle. And if it is going to stay a little breezy like this, then I'm going to go dump in the silver minnow here on Larange Lake. Go dangle around Kitsaki Island, around that area, because there's been some bigger pike out there. But we'll see what happens. We'll see what the day brings. But again, you guys, thank you so much for joining me. Coming with me out there fishing, unwinding. just enjoying the outdoors. Really appreciate you guys' time, like I always say, because I really do appreciate you guys' time for watching my videos. Consider subscribing. Check out a few playlists that I'm going to link down at the bottom. Follow me on Instagram. So until the next outing, we'll see you guys then.